If you got a girlfriend, you know they're always right. And apparently, I've got some problems in my sleep. So this is my nighttime routine approved by my girlfriend. So first, it's this nasal strip. Slap 2 of those on your nose. This opens up your airway so you stop snoring like an absolute pig. Then I got mouth tape. Apparently, I have horrible breath in the morning, look a bit like Cole Palmer. So I slap that on, stops my face getting deformed, and I wake up with fresh smelling breath. Then I go on to magnesium glycinate. I thought I was a bit deficient, and she thought so too, so I called her a witch. But apart from that, it's really good for brain function, tiredness, all that. Take it 2 hours before bed, and Bob's your uncle, you golden. So if you want to try any of this out, if you got bad breath in the morning, feeling a bit tired, or you just snore like an absolute pig, I'll link these all down below so you can try them out.